we have the Blomiky D143, as you can see right here. That's what you can find it on Amazon as, but Banggood sells these as well as the HB Toys, and it's the HB DK4301. I did open this up already before I started because I wanted to see if there was a box inside this box, but nope, it gets sold in a brown box. Inside here, it is just stuffed with package material. So we get, oh wow, that's actually a nice screwdriver. Looks like 2 USB chargers and the instruction manual in the bag there. And there's the transmitter. What do we got here? Oh, we got batteries. It feels like there's 3 battery packs in there. And then we have the truck. So before I get into the truck and the controller, let's open this bag up and see. Yeah, we get 2 USB chargers, and well, they're different chargers. They're not even the same, but you get 2 of them, so at least the connector's the same. That's what matters. And this is actually a really nice screwdriver considering the price of this vehicle. You'd think that they would throw something a little smaller in, a little cheaper made. It has a rubber handle and everything. So not bad there. And then of course you get your instruction manual, which they're claiming this is a 1/43 scale. That is bigger than 1/43. The scaling is definitely off on this truck. Let's check out the batteries. Let's see if there is 3 battery packs in here. Material here, looks like the same material you use to like clean your glasses. Oh, okay. So you get 2 battery packs, and then you get 2 AA batteries for the controller. And it does feel like a cleaning cloth or whatever, but that's pretty cool that they wrap it up in that with their name on the fabric. What do we get here? We get 3.6 volt, 700 milliamp hour nickel cadmium. So nickel cadmium, 2 batteries, 2 AA's for the controller. Speaking of the controller, now you know it takes 2 AA's. I do believe it does say on the box that it comes with digital proportional speed control. It clicks on the turning, so it is non-proportional on the steering, but we do get proportional. And then of course 2.4 gigahertz on and off switch is right there. You have to use your nice little screwdriver here to take the cover off, put your AA's in. That's the controller. Let's pop this out of this foam wrap here. And well, there is your trim, there is your on-off switch. Let's open this up because I can't remember if this, when I bought this, if it comes with 3 batteries or just 2. And nope, no battery, so we got 2 batteries and that's it. So pretty cool looking short course style truck. There is 0 suspension in the rear, so the rear is gonna hop around. What? It's 4-wheel drive. Look at that, 4-wheel drive. On the front, we do have a little bit of suspension, just a couple springs right in there. So there is suspension on the front. It's not a lot. Hey, at least it's something. All right, enough of the tech talk. Let's get these batteries charged and take this thing out and see how well it does. Okay, we got it all charged up. Turn this on. You get some nice bright LEDs in the front. Look at those headlights. They look pretty cool on this truck. We'll turn the controller on. And yes, we do have proportional throttle. I mean, it takes a while to squeeze it till it actually kicks in, but it is proportional. But we do have non-proportional, so all or nothing steering. But what I'm impressed with is it comes with 4-wheel drive, which for this scale RC is just not really heard of. The trim does seem to be a little off, but it is kind of bouncy, so. And with that back end not having any suspension, that back end does really bounce around a lot. The front end seems pretty stable.
but it does have two little springs on for each wheel, so you can definitely tell which side of the car, or not side, but which end of the car, or truck I should say, which end of the truck has the suspension and which doesn't. So the box says 9 miles an hour. Took a little detour there. So the box says 9 mile. Oh, got her up on the two wheels there, rolled it right over. I apologize for the wind noise. I'm sure this camera is picking some wind noise up. It is a breezy morning, kind of cold, but as I was saying, the box does say 9 miles an hour, and I mean, I don't know. I'd say it's probably pretty close. Oh man, these tires really grip this concrete and want to flip it over when you turn real hard, which is surprising because this thing is not a really tall vehicle that you'd think it would. It does make some really tight turns though, so it must be just too tight of a turn. Look, I mean, look how tight that turn is there. So if you're going full speed and you make that tight of a turn, oh, took it right into the, now wait, come on, there we go. Yeah, it makes some really tight turns here. And the rubber tires, 'cause they're rubber, they're not plastic. Them rubber tires are gripping this concrete pretty good. So not a bad buy at all. A little over $20. Banggood has it for 22 bucks is what I saw it at, and Amazon's selling this for right around $27. And you get the full proportional throttle and everything. You get the LED headlights. You get two batteries with it. I mean, not a bad buy for sure. I mean, look how tight those turning circles are. Almost turns too tight that the truck can't handle it. But it does come in 3 different colors. It comes in an orange and black, it comes in a black and green, and then this white and blue right here. And they all look pretty sharp. I like the color combinations on them.
That was the Blomiky or HB Toys, whichever one you buy, because of it being rebranded. It's not a bad runner. I got plenty of battery life out of it. I ran this thing for well over 10 minutes and it was still going strong. The 4-wheel drive is a plus, although the clearance under here is very low. So you can see there's not that much clearance. So it would get hung up if you do decide to try and drive it in any type of grass or any soft dirt. I would just stick to the pavement because that's where this thing runs the best on. Very cool design. I like the LED headlights and the rubber tires. They really stick to the pavement. You saw that the tight turns made this roll over. And also another thing, this back axle, with it being solid, it really had the back end hopping around, but the front suspension, it absorbed a lot of the bumps. You saw it mostly in the back end. So I'm gonna put this in for the March giveaway. So how the giveaway is gonna work is through the month of March, I'm gonna feature some RCs that I feel worthy of giving away, but I only give one of them away. So if you want this to be the giveaway for March, then go ahead and smack the like button. because that like is kind of like your vote. So you're voting with the like button which RC you want as the giveaway. To enter, all you have to do is be a subscriber from the US and comment down below. Your comment is your entry, and your comment is your entry only for this vehicle. If you want to get entered for other vehicles that might win, I'd go comment on those other videos as well, because I'm only pulling comments from the video with the most likes. And then on April 1st, I'm gonna go live, do a live drawing where we find out which RC for the month of March got the most likes and which subscriber wins it. So good luck to everybody who enters. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But I hope to see you with the next Ready to Run RC.